Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you tea coasters, and this is dot mandala, and this class is for the beginners only. So material required for making tea coaster is you need some acrylic colors. These are acrylic colors. You need a coaster. This is a coaster. You can take any shape. I have taken round shape. You can take square, you can take triangles, you can take any shape for this. Then I have taken some dot pens. These are dot pens. You can use pencils also, you can use brushes also to make these dots. Now I am going to start the class. Please watch it carefully to learn the concept. Now I am going to seal it. How to seal it? I am using Mod Podge for this. This is a type of glue. I use this glue for the decoupage. Take a brush and just small amount of Mod Podge and spread it on your coaster. This will seal your project. After drying, it will look transparent. For 2-3 minutes, let it dry. Your coasters are ready. Decorate your home, decorate your tables with these beautiful handmade coasters. And if you like the video, do like, subscribe and share.